All right. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, everybody. How's everyone doing? All right. We have, let me check. No news today. It says Trump speaks at 4 p.m., but no news besides that so-called news. What else? Asia high is left on unswept. Weird movement overnight, I agree. 1 o'clock triggered a massive sell-off. We have Asia high left. We have London low left, which, fun fact, the London low that was formed today is the exact same low as yesterday to the tick on NQ. So that's something to mark. There's something probably going on down there. So yeah, London lows are the exact same. So equal lows there, okay? Equal lows and it's London lows. Makes for a really, really good target, okay? And previous day low still is unswept, which is the Asia low from yesterday. Okay, so a lot of good targets to the downside. And yeah, just Asia high to the upside, but some good targets to the downside on NQ. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Q&A last night. I feel like it went pretty well. Although I thought I was recording. I wasn't recording, so that's kind of a bummer. What else is going on today? Not much. I think we're good. Trendbender took the first trade was a win at around 10:35 or something, like right after I ended live stream. So could have called it there after one win. I think the next trade was a loss, so it was break even if you ran it the whole day. So 2 trades. But first trade was a win, so it did give you an opportunity to be done for the day by 11 o'clock. So yeah, don't have a lot of people in the live streams lately, but that's okay. Yeah, again, no news. No news today. Tomorrow we do have CPI, so I guess just remember that, because oftentimes the day before CPI, or really any big news event, is a little ucky. So but we'll see. Go with the flow, take what the market gives, and go from there. That's about all we can do. Again, please watch the London low, okay? Because that's an equal low at 732, 21,732. We're also below the 50% of the overnight range on NQ. ES is slightly below as well. All right, here, open 20 seconds. Everyone's a little sleepy today, sleeping in. There's the open. Okay. Little spike up on the open there. Little pump up there. Again, I'm watching 732. I'm interested in the London low because it's equal lows with yesterday's London lows. So you don't see that often, really ever, but otherwise, I'd be looking for, I mean, Asia highs are the only thing above us. That's at 973. So a little ways away. 100 points to the upside on NQ we would need there. So Again, trend bender, top right. We haven't been getting tons of trades with it on the live stream. More of happening off live stream, to be honest, but getting a big V shape down. All right, algos are now able to trade. It's 9:32. Looks like we might want to move down here. All right, just chop so far, guys. Up, down, up, down, up.
Order submitted.
Pattern 2 trade on the 32 range charts. Here we are. Not a huge fan of this trade because it's too close to open. And it's just chop so far. So we could easily come down and stop it out. But, you know, most of you are going to want to start at 9:35. I have 9:32. Again, that's up to you. So looks like ES is starting to pump up, break above some of those highs. NQ lagging behind a little bit. So ES actually looking a little bit better than NQ. But yeah, first trade of the day here, so. It's not looking too good on this trade. It's just very, very choppy so far. I mean, if you look at the 1 minute chart, it's just up, down, now down again. So, yeah, not great, guys. Not great. Again, you can always start at 9:35 if you want to be a bit
Order
safer,
canceled.
Okay? Usually give it 5, maybe even 10 minutes. We do have an hourly low at 8:03. Okay, ES and NQ aren't super correlated so far either. Same thing happened yesterday. Not super correlated. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Yeah, day before CPI, guys. I mean, today there's a decent chance that the market just manipulates all day, right? That's because, you know, the market needs liquidity built up for tomorrow. So there can be a big move tomorrow, pretty much. So, yeah, just be careful, pretty much. That's all I gotta say. Just be careful. Giving it until 10. Gotcha, yeah. You got the auto traders turned on until 10, you mean? Or are you watching some manual trades as well?
Order filled.
Oh, I gotcha.
Order filled.
We are in Wizard's favorite trade. A 30-second RSI filter short. Okay. Green diamond popped up after the entry, looks like. .30-second. We're also in a 32 range. Pretty much a similar trade. Similar trade there on the 30 seconds. Or the 32 range, sorry. This one I actually think is a pretty good setup. It's just, obviously it's pretty choppy, so good setups could still get burnt. Okay. Also, for anyone who wants to do some eval gambling, Apex has 80% off. Buell Knox has 83% off. I can post those codes after the stream. Can be a profitable curve with very high money strategy.
Order canceled.
Yes. I don't know if that's a question or not. Moving up hard right now. Moving up hard. So we did avoid that loss on the indicator filter 32 range, which is good. And if we started at 935, we would be break even on the top left chart. Down one trade on the bottom left chart. Down one trade bottom right. So is what it is. Not worried about it. So only needed one trade to make that back. I think you focus too much on win rate, my man. What's going on here? So previous day high. Oh, that doesn't matter. Previous day high already got wrecked. I don't know why that's on my chart still. Good morning, Anu. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty well myself. Look at how choppy it is on the range charts, guys. You see that? Oof. Looks like an Algo order came in. That just barcode. Looks like an Algo order came in. you could mark that level then. So you could do something like this. Mark out this area. Probably just means there's something going on there. Because all that happened in like the same second. So you don't see that every day. When you do see that, it's worth marking it out. Oof. Oof. All right, we're rejecting that area. It's just so weird right now. We chopped 40 points for the first 5-6 minutes. Got a pump to the upside of 70 points. Now are pulling back 30 points. So we're at opening price still. So again, almost 15 minutes in and we're still at the exact opening price. Quiet morning. I don't really have anything manually that I'm looking at right now. I would like to see this 1 hour low swept at 803. I think that could give us something. Yeah. Besides that, though, it's just we either hit 803 or we go up to 973 and sweep Asia high, which is obviously quite a ways away. Or we move to London lows, which London lows are equal lows to yesterday's London low. So yeah, so really, I don't know, not much unless we sweep something, in my personal unprofessional opinion. Rough day today. Not that rough. I mean, generally, I told people yesterday on the live stream, I tend to not like to trade the algos on funded accounts and stuff the day before big news events. It's just auto traders, algos tend to not do as good. I mean, I'm never going to say like, hey, you guys all should not run this today. But, you know, I give you little hints like, hey, my experience, the auto traders tend not to do as well, right? The day before CPI, the day before FOMC, you know. Yesterday, they were green. Yesterday, we were pretty green. So we were up, I think, 800 on the top left chart yesterday. And we were up 500 maybe on the bottom left. Bottom right, I think we were up 400. Yep, MNQ's on the screen there. You can see the symbols top left of each chart. But yeah, I told everyone yesterday, you know, the auto traders tend not to do as well on the day before. So on the screen, our sim accounts, I trade my funded accounts and all that off the screen because I don't want people just blindly copying exactly what I do. So yeah, keep that in mind. You guys got to learn how you like to run it. I see so many people cancel SBS because they're like, it's too hard to use, or, you know, they want something that's literally just set and forget, everything's done for them. That's not going to happen in the prop firm auto trader game. You're not going to have something that you just enable, leave on for, you know, 10 hours and it makes you money every day. Everyone's looking for a perfect world. Then you have people like Wizard who actually put some time in and find how he likes to run it, and he kills it. Not every day, but overall kills it. So yeah, Algo needs customized to the prop account size. You can customize it. Risk per trade, man. That's all you need to change, pretty much. I do not. I play it by ear every day. Go with what the market's giving me. You need to figure out how you like to do that. So got 10 minutes until 10 o'clock. So trend bender, bars are turning turquoise. Potential trade soon. Doesn't mean it's going to take a trade. Just means, you know, there's potential for it if the conditions are met. So Yeah, if you guys have questions though, throw them out. So not much going on. Can definitely answer questions. Hopefully you all enjoyed the Botfolio Q&A if you joined that yesterday. Try to be as transparent as possible. What can we talk about here today? I don't think we really have much to talk about. I'll make a video today for anyone who doesn't know how to pass evals in one trade, on how we can do that tomorrow. Okay. So I will make a YouTube video today on that. But besides that, I think we're chilling. So. Planned all at 50%. Gotcha. Yeah, it's just, I think it's going to be a little weird today. So I think not trading the day before, again, big news days are generally a smart thing to do. Or, you know, do what Wizard's doing and say, hey, I'm going to give it from 9:45 to 10 or something. If it doesn't take a trade in that range, then I'm not trading, you know.
Order filled.
We're in another trade here on the default 32 range with no filters. This one's actually decent, so we'll see. We will see. Decent doesn't mean it's gonna win, but from what I'm seeing, I could see how we bounce here for sure. What is it using to enter? What do you mean it's entering automatically? You mean the criteria? If you're asking about the criteria, yeah, swing breakout strategy. You need to watch some of my other YouTube videos because I have like 15 videos or something going over how the strategy works and what the SBS model is. So I would just go to my YouTube. Watch some of the SBS model videos. How can you not be tempted to take on more risk management? Yeah, that makes no sense. Sorry. You do ask a lot of questions every day, which is good, but I don't understand most of them.
Order filled.
All right. Just in a range still, guys. I don't see anything good manually. Still in a 70-point range, and again, right back to the opening price of the day. Right back to the opening price of the day. I just don't see anything that's screaming, you know, super, super good. Yeah, I don't increase the trade size after a loss. That makes no sense to do. Unless it's a martingale strategy. That's not a smart way to trade, generally speaking. Why would I increase risk when if I get one win, I'm back to green on the day, right? I don't need to increase the risk for that.
Order filled.
We are in another indicator filter trade. Looks like these trades are we in the same one? Slightly different trades here on the 32 ranges, but same direction. So are we gonna drive up to this TP? I think we might. Hi Joey, do you know or do you happen to know about TTM squeeze indicator? I have heard about it. I have never looked at it though,
Order
so I
canceled.
wouldn't be the right person to ask, I don't think. I've heard about it. I have never used it. I've never watched a YouTube video about it, I don't think. But I think we're gonna hit this TP. Or not. Let's get a drive up. Let's go. Just in a range, guys. It's 10:03. We're in a range, and the range is roughly a 48-point range. 45-point range is the majority of it. Got
Order
really close to that
canceled.
first TP there, just a couple points away. Right at entry point again. Wow. What a day, guys. The earnings are down. Interest rates have been high. Do not see the market going. Yeah, we're still, what, like 800 points away or something from the all-time highs, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. I do not know. Still at entry point, jeez. I'm gonna give the trading until 11. I'm not gonna stay on live stream until 11, but I usually like to go to 11. If there's nothing by 11, I will be done for the day. And I will not look at the charts the rest of the day. getting bored on these days, man. Action has been slow lately. I think the action's been slow, but holy smokes, everybody. This is terrible. Day before CPI, man. I might actually get up, go to the bathroom quick, come back. What do we think? Yeah, I'll be right back. Wow. We gained viewers from leaving. That's awesome. Come on, man. Just hit the CP. That's crazy. Stop loss is break even. It got like a point away from TP there. Not even. Got like a tick. One tick, I think, from TP. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's fine, man. Just come down, stop me out. Oh. Come on. Push me up a little bit. There we go. Oh, I think we just got one tick away again. Come on. Come on, man.
Order canceled.
There we go. First TP hit. What are we going to do now, folks? You exited, yeah. This is one of those days where just exiting at 1R, getting your base hit and being done, 100% would be beneficial. Take the money and run. And again, if you started at 935, like I always recommend to like for the past 8 months, you'd be green on the day. Nothing going on, guys. Nothing going on. Guys, I know it's boring today. I am not talking because there's nothing going on, right? We've moved 10 points in the last 9 minutes on NASDAQ.
Order canceled.
Just hit that first TP there on the other 32 range as well. It's giving you another chance to exit all at a 1-to-1 right now, if you'd like. Still didn't stop out. We're barely in. As soon as the trades are done, we're calling it on the live stream. We'll definitely be coming back tomorrow. Hopefully, you know, CPI gives us something. You guys can pass some evals. Yeah, I don't know.
Order canceled.
right, we're out of those trades. Green on the day, if you started 935 onwards, pretty much break. I count, down $100 is pretty much break even for my standards. The bottom left chart's down one trade pretty much. Bottom right chart down one trade. So overall, it's really not that bad at all. And CPI tomorrow. So yeah, but we're gonna call it there. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone, enjoy the rest of your day. Come back tomorrow. Don't blow accounts today. Okay, save them for tomorrow. Have a good one. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning.